All right, for this lesson, you are finishing the book Trouble at Sea, reading chapter 4. There's also an author's note that tells you just a little bit about the real event and how this was similar to that, although it was fictionalized a little bit. If you already have finished it, go ahead, open it up, and just remind yourself what happened in the chapter. Because I know some of you might have read ahead, which is fine, but just remind yourself what happened. There's 3 questions I need you to answer. The first one is, how did the illustrations add to your understanding of the story? So what did they tell you? How did they contribute to the mood? Maybe they made it feel scarier. Maybe they gave you a picture of what the boat was like. Maybe they helped you to see Anna's emotions. Lots of things they could have helped with. Identify the part of the story you found most exciting and why. So just your opinion about the part that you thought was exciting and why you thought it was exciting. And then what is a theme of the story that is also a lesson that Anna learns? So oftentimes the themes are lessons that the character themselves learned. Like in the Kelpie, we see, okay, a theme is that we need to be careful around strangers, which is also something that Alice learned, right? She learned she shouldn't just trust everyone that she meets. So what's a lesson that Anna learned in this story that's also sort of something we could apply to our own life? Like the lesson of don't go on a big ship. Not a great theme. Like maybe she learned that lesson, but let's think more broadly about like a moral lesson or theme. If you have any questions, if you need any more examples, any more help, let me know. I am more than happy to give you some ideas and help. Good luck.